Hello YouTube and welcome to episode 8 of our programming series in Discord.js and JavaScript. And in this episode we're going to be using MonoxityDB again to make an XP system. A chat, like a little fun chat XP thing, which will later expand on this in the series. Such as making a rank card, which will be the next episode actually. Like in Canvas and all that, but for now we're just focusing on the XP system itself. So first things first, let's go into our index file. And where should I define this? Just do it under the registers. Client.xp cooldown is going to equal to a new array. And this way we're going to cache our XP cooldown so that people can't abuse the rank system as efficiently. Obviously there's always ways to abuse things. Now we'll start our XP system here. So we're going to do if client.xp cooldown, and it's an array so we can use .includes, our message.author.id, we're going to do nothing. Don't want to give them XP if they're in cooldown. Otherwise we're going to generate some random XP. So we'll use math.floor and math.random. And we're going to generate up to 30 XP. We're going to get their current stats. Current XP stats. Client.db get XP system message.author.id. And the default is going to be an object, which the XP will be 0, the total XP will be 0, and their level will be 1, like so. Now we want to get our current XP stats.xp and add our new randomly generated XP to it. And same with our total XP. So plus equals random XP. And now we want to check if we're going to level them up. So if current XP stats.xp is greater than or equal to current XP stats.level times 40, then we'll level them up. So the current XP stats.level plus equals 1, like so. And then we'll set the new value. So await client.db.set XP system message.author.id and their current XP stats. Now to make the cooldown work, we're going to do client.xp cooldown push, and we're going to push the message author ID. Then we're going to do a set timeout, and this timeout is going to last 30 seconds. Then we're going to do client xp cooldown.splice, client xp cooldown index of message.author.id, and that will remove them from the XP cooldown array after 30 seconds. Before we move on with the video, check out our partner HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company. They offer a range of services including virtual servers, website hosting and dedicated servers. Get 30% off your purchase by using the promotion code Monoxity at checkout. If you're in doubt, look at all these happy customers. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the actual rank command. Rank.js. This isn't going to be a fancy command, not in this episode, but next episode it will be. So we're going to do constants and a message embed from discord.js. We're going to import test guild from our config. Then we'll do module.exports. Our command name is going to be rank. Description. View a member's rank in the server. Arguments. We're going to have a user with the description of a user over Discord. It's not going to be required, so as we're going to default it to the sender. And the type is going to be a user. It's not an NSFW command. Regarding permissions, for now we only need to embed links. The user don't need any permissions. There's no role-based or user-based. And it is a guild-only command. Now we want our register with our command ID empty array and our test guild. Then we want our synchronous exec command, not exec, just exec function, like so. First things first, we're going to get the user. So that's going to be interaction options get user or interaction.user, like so. Then we're going to do current XP stats, await client.db.get, XP system user.id. Default is going to be an object of XP0, total XP0, and level 1, like so. And then we'll return our interaction reply with our new message embed. Set image, user display avatar URL, size 2048, dynamic is true, format is PNG. Set title, level of user.tag, and the description. User is level, current XP stats dot level, in the server with a total XP amount, of, and we're going to call total XP, and that's it right there. So we'll go ahead and start the bot to get our command ID. And then give the bot a restart, show it's registered, yeah, that's fine. And now we're going to go to Discord. Alright, so if I was to just run the rank command, yeah, I'm level 1, that's the default amount. Now I'm just going to type in ow, and we're going to try that again. As you can see, I have a total XP amount of 8, but if I type ow again, because of the cooldown, it's not going to reward me any additional XP until 30 seconds go by. In the meantime, let's look up another person's rank. So that's the default amount. And now we'll just wait 30 seconds. Let's try again. Yeah, there you go. And as you can see, that increased my XP and the 30 seconds started again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a future episode.